are you ready? Here is the Cocoa Daisy May kit. It just arrived. I did open it and sorted it a little bit, so I cheated, but here we go. Here's an unboxing video. So this is the kit. The classified, which you can't see. Sorry. All right. So when I get a box, I like to sort it a little bit different. So I'm going to show you how I go about it. All right, so this is the first page. I love this. Can you not imagine what goodness you can do with this page? But this page is just as amazing. So this one's going to be a hard one. I think I need 2 of this. Here's this, another exclusive Cocoa Daisy, and this yellow page. Look at this. Isn't this a pretty one? It's nice and soft, but there's pattern. It just really looks nice. Some fun, not sure what kind of design, but just really nice tone on tone, but yet enough design to really catch your eye. This, for us here in Florida, is perfect. It looks like the ocean and the pool. Some popsicles. I need vitamin C. I love this page. I love the watercolor. And these are so easy to build your pictures on because the background isn't subtle. It doesn't take away from your picture, but it adds to it. And here's the other side. We've got this one with all kinds of summer words, and then this, which I will probably use this side. I love the stripes. Look at all those pretty colors. And then a gingham. We've got some dotty pattern. This will be a nice, easy one to build a layout on also. And then if you want to go bold, the red side. This is by Pinkfresh Studio. This was in the add-on paper kit. So lots of hearts in this pattern. And here's Pinkfresh again. And this definitely fits the kit. You might actually have thought Cocoa Daisy did this one. And another Pinkfresh, so we've got some books and a calmer pattern. This is, oh, actually, here, let's skip. This is another Pinkfresh one. I like all those flowers. And then this, which is nice and calm, but a nice pattern on it. This is actually by Fancy Pants. This is the Bright Side collection. I love all the script writing on it. So it says the good stuff. And then a bold, bright red. This one says look on the bright side. And then this pattern, which looks kind of like the ocean one again. And then there were white, which is my favorite, my go-to. Yellow, which I could have used since my silhouette decided to slice up my sun design. And then a red. So that is the 12 by 12 papers. I love that Cocoa Daisy gives you the 6 by 6 papers of their pages they come up with. For instance, this one, I probably wouldn't use it as a 12 by 12, but this is perfect. I can layer it behind my pictures, and this, same with that. So I love my 6 by 6 pages because then I don't actually have to cut those 12 by 12s because that hurts me. So you can see just all the patterns again. All right, now for the day in the life cards. I love these. Do what makes your soul happy. Oh, happy day. That looks like a good Mother's Day one. We've got this flowered one. What a day. Be filled with joy. And then the days of the week. Those are the 4 by 6 cards. Then we have 3 by 4. Hello today. Hello summer. Some waves. Just chill. Bring on the sunshine. Sun please. Today was awesome. Say yes to new adventures. Oh, I love this. This is definitely going to need a main place on a page for me. And this is May. That's a fun design too. June. Look at the stars. Sun-kissed days and cool nights. Do your best to enjoy your day. A day to remember. My favorite color is sunset. You're one in a melon. Days like these. Well, that's pretty fun too. This one, chances are you're going to see me fussy cut that out. I mean, it's a great card, but that's pretty good too. I like that. Oops. And then today, sunshine and the beach chair, a painting sunshine, some stripes, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Happiness comes in there. Tropical state of mind. These are really nice. I love the day in the life cards. I could probably use 2 stacks of them every single time. Okay, so this was a part of the main kit. We have the Evalicious stickers and some chipboard ones from Cocoa Daisy in kind of light yellow color. This was in the Day in the Life kit. It's a lighter shade of the one in the main kit. All right, and what kind of embellishments did we get? So, the stamp set, the weekend, be filled with joy, a little sprig, watering can, live in the sunshine, swim, and I think it's supposed to be in the sea, I'm not sure, drink the wild air. So that's pretty cool. And then here's May, do your best to enjoy your day. June, kind of a little painty looking one, and some ice cream. A striped thing of washi, it's kind of red and orange. And then this I love, can't wait to dig into this. They're stickers, and I guess they're kind of supposed to be like washi, but see how they're scalloped? This one has flags. I think this will be my favorite in this kit. I can think of millions of places to put these stickers, so this is a real hit with me. We have some enamel dots, which I love. We have this charm, a bicycle charm. It's actually similar to the one that was on in the planner kit. All right, we have, let's see here, some crochet flowers. And then we have lots of pretties. So bicycle, flowers, circle designs, tabs, some words, yay, spring day, makes my day, oh snap, some more little circles, some more flowers. I love the how the black outline, it just looks, I guess, kind of whimsical. I like that. Favorite, hello sunshine. Here's a fun hello and hearts. And then this tag, that's a really nice tag. And then this one was with the Day in the Life kit, the memory keeping pocket kit. So we've got an ampersand, week number. I love that. I could use a whole set of those because that's how I label all of mine in my Project Life book. Sunshine, happy, outside fun, wonderful. Here's a little bike, right now, enjoy the ride, right now, let's go, and some tabs, and remember that time when. Okay, now, something new that we have not gotten yet, and I don't actually know what this is. I know they're, looks like die cuts, or, you know, cut from like a silhouette type thing. documented. Oh, I love how fine it is. I mean, it's cut exactly. Nothing's torn. It's nice and it's thick. It's not real flimsy. Oh, that's nice. I love that. And then Our Life in Pictures, Musings, and This Love. So these must be like cut files, but my silhouette would never cut these things this fine and not cut off a bunch of stuff. So that is really exciting. I'm glad to see this in here. Here's Summertime, Breezy, Vacation, Bucket List, and then these are numbers. I was wondering what these were. So 0, 2, 3, 1, and there's a couple for each number. So it looks like there's about 2 for each number, I believe. So that's really neat. And there was one more set. Now one came in the pocket kit and one came in the 12 by 12, and I am sorry, I did mix them all together. I was so excited. And then here is, let me see, I don't want to hurt these. There we go. This is some more numbers, just really big ones. These are a little bit different. These seem to be out of more cardstock, where these were, I don't know, they're thicker. I guess kind of like what the planner dashboards are. And there you go. There's the kit. So what are you dreaming about? It's a shame. I just started a layout with the April kit, so I'm going to finish that before I jump in. But I'm thinking bikes, flowers, red, lots of swim pictures probably for us. But I'm excited, and I am super excited about this part of the kit. I hope we see these more often. This is a huge thing for me. So let me know, what's your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, bye.